Hello everyone, welcome to Basics e-Learning. I am going to solve CBSE NCERT textbook for class 10 with a detailed explanation for all the chapters. This is the fifth problem from exercise 3.7, page number 68. In a given triangle, angle C is equal to 3 times angle B, that is equal to 2 times angle A plus angle B. Find the three angles. Right. So the problem is looking simple here, right? So for solving also it's very simple. As we know the fact, in a triangle, the sum of the three angles is 180 degree, right? Isn't it? So they are talking about a triangle and its three angles. They have given a condition of all the three angles, that is angle C is equal to 3 times angle B, that is equal to 2 times angle A plus angle B. Right. So what I'll do is I'll substitute this condition in the known fact and find out our pair of linear equations. Right. So angle A plus angle B plus, in place of C I'll write 3B because they have given angle A is equal to 3B. Right. So I'll substitute angle 3B such that the equation will turn only in A's and B's. So A plus 4B is equal to, I'll write it, A plus 4B is equal to 180 degree, isn't it? So I'll take this as equation number 1. Right. So again I have to convert the given equation in only A's and B's. So I have C here. This C now I will write it as 2 times angle A plus angle B. Right. So angle A plus angle B, in place of C now I'll write 2 times angle A plus angle B, that is equal to 180 degree. So this will become angle A plus 2 times angle A, 3A. Similarly, 3B is equal to 180 degree. Right. This is your second equation. So we need to solve these two equations to find out the angles A and B. So I'll just multiply equation number 1 with 3, right, such that angle A will get cancelled. So 3A plus 12B, so 180 into 3, that will be 540, right? And the second equation 3A plus 3B is equal to 180. Just subtract. I'll just change the sign convention here. A will get cancelled. 12 minus 3, here it is 9B. Then what I'll get here? Right, 360, right? So B is equal to 360 divided by 9. So that is 40. Once you get the value of B, get the value of A also. So C is 3 times angle B now. So first you find out angle C is equal to 3 times angle B, that is 120. Once you know B and C, what is A? 180 minus A minus B, B minus C, right? So that is, here it is 160, 180 minus B plus C, right? So B plus C is here 120 plus 40, 160. So 180 minus 160 is 20 degree. That you write. Angle A is equal to 20 degree and angle B is equal to 40 degree. Angle C is equal to 120 degrees, right? So write your answer clearly after solving, then put a box around. For more videos, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Let us know your suggestions and queries in the comment box. Thank you.